Okay, for question number 10, for your paper 1 MCQ, I'll use this example to explain the use of your Excel. It says that at a certain hospital, the probability of a child being born female is 52%. So if 100 babies are born on a certain day, the probability that fewer than half means 0 until 49. Okay, the probability that fewer than half means no female until 49 female babies is closest to. Okay, so which means this is the distribution, the graph of the distribution of this question. So you can see that the probability is the highest when the number of babies are female. It's about half. Okay, why is that so? We can only ask God, okay? But that is true for all countries, for all races. Because if this is not the case, if let's say the probability of female is 90% and male is 10%, or the probability of female is 10% and male is 50%, 90%, then I think that spelled the end of mankind, all right? So it's always around half-half. So in this case, the probability of female babies being born is 52%, slightly higher than male, but it's still more or less the same. But they want you to find out the probability of fewer than half in this 100 babies. Fewer than half. Fewer than half means from 0 until 49. So this is the whole list of the probability that I generated from 1 to 100. Okay, and you can see that the distribution of the chart is like this. Okay, so around 50 is the highest. The probability is the highest. Whereas the rest is almost close to 0. So how do you calculate for these questions? It's not very difficult. You can calculate the probability of each event one by one. 0 means no female baby. 1 means 1 female baby. 2 means 2. 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. And the probability only start to pick up when you reach around 40. Okay. Then the highest is around 50, 49, 51. But what they want is the accumulative probability from 0 all the way to 49. So how do I calculate? Use this formula, combin. N is 100. 100 C6. Why C6? Because this 0 is positioned at C6. Okay, multiply the probability power of x, which is C6. Then 1 minus p to the power of 100 minus C6. So once I press enter, this value will come out. Then you just drag all the way until 49, because we only need to know 49 till 0. Okay, lesser than half. And then in the end, you sum up all this value. You sum all these 50 values, you sum them all together. It's from 0 to 49, there are 50 values. And then you get your answer, 0.308, which is about 31%.